I'm excited to reveal to you a brand new technology I've secretly been using to extract cash on demand from the Forex markets. When it was being developed, I gave my expert developers strict instructions to make it extremely beginner-friendly, so anybody could bank profits with very little effort. And I'm happy to say they've done it, and have done it well. Have a look at this. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, 15 minutes time frame, 54, 71, 25, and 55 pips. That's a total of more than 200 pips profit. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, 30 minutes. Two strong trends caught with 129 and 170 pips profit. And there is more. British pound, Australian dollar, 1 hour time frame, 383, 298, 162, and 470 pips. Do I even need to say how much the total is here? And lastly, to completely blow you away, here is some insane profit from the 4 hours time frame on British pound, Swiss franc, 283, 314, and a whopping 660 pips profit. Do you understand what kind of trading software this is? This is something beyond the dreams of even some of the most successful traders. Even if you've never traded Forex before, this is the best introduction to profitable Forex trading you could ever have. You'll be off to a winning start. On the other hand, if you've been trading for a while but you're not winning as much as you'd like, or you're eager to add another powerful trading weapon to your arsenal, you will love what you're about to get today. The best part is that it's simple to use. Yes, I want to make Forex trading profitable and fun for you. With that said, here is how you will be winning your trades. Just buy or sell when the indicator tells you to. That's it. Honestly, what could be easier than that? Imagine making multiple successful trades every day. How would you feel? This indicator just tells you where and when to click to make money. And in just minutes, your net worth goes up after closing a profitable trade. With a small account, you could build it up in no time with easy winning trades that pack so much profit so fast, you'll soon be trading full-time. And let me tell you this, if that's what you want, depending on your appetite for risk and how often you trade, it will just be a matter of time before you free yourself from the daily grind and replace your 9-to-5 salary with full-time Forex income at home. I'm going to give you access to the same software I and others have used to snatch our time and freedom back. With the type of money you'll soon be making, who needs a job? Heck, even people who earn six-figure salaries are ditching their jobs just to feel free and unattached to a soul-sucking form of living that robs them of happiness, even though they've got money in the bank. But even if you don't have big money, forget about looking for part-time work to make ends meet. With my indicator and just a little bit of capital, you could soon be making full-time income that pays for your health insurance, your 401k, your pension, your life insurance, and any other bills you depend on your job to take care of. Listen, you don't need to become a walking punching bag for bully bosses and slave drivers because you need the benefits. No, you could soon easily pay for them with Forex Millennium, the intelligent, predictive algorithm with highly accurate buy-sell signals. Anyone of any skill level can exploit this brand new technology to eventually get a full-time income from Forex without too much risk. With Forex Millennium, you could be making fantastic trades. You just follow the directions the software shows you, and soon you'll be setting yourself up for reliable income you don't have to work for. Instead, the software works for you. It does the thinking. It does the analyzing. It does all the mind-numbing calculations and spits out buy or sell alerts that will make you rich. You're in Forex trading to work smart, not hard. While other traders spend their days or evenings tussling with all the trading tools, wondering if the market is going to go up or down, you won't have that stress. Instead, you'll get clear signals telling you when to enter a buy or sell trade, and you will be alerted when to close your trade. Anyone who has never traded Forex before in their life will be able to do this. Who said getting rich trading Forex should be hard work? That's a lie that's been passed down for years. My thing is, if you find an edge, something that will make your life easier, exploit it. My expert developers and I have done all the hard work for you. We have spent days and nights ridding the software of anything that may make it seem hard to use. You'll love the ease with which you are able to win more trades. Every time you sit before your trading platform to place a trade, it will give you a rush. You will sit feeling sure that within a few minutes to a few hours, you can make a part-time income without getting a part-time job. If you follow the simple instructions every day, your part-time income will eventually become full-time. It trades efficiently from the 15-minute all the way up to the daily time frame, setting signals in fixed positions indicating that, yes, this is where you must buy or sell. It won't trick you like other software, whose signals move when you start to lose money. You see, like you, I've been through it. I know, it sucks. Alright, a lot of what I've just said sounds like hype, right? Well, guess what? I can back it up. I wouldn't be so bold if I couldn't prove everything I say. Fact is, not every trader can say that, so I empathize with you if you've been sorely let down by dishonest people in the past. I want to assure you that what you will get from me today can possibly help you. And if it doesn't live up to expectations, who suffers here? Not you. You will get your money back. But my reputation will suffer, and I don't want that. So right now, I will be honored to share who I am. Hi, I'm Carl Dittman. I'm a former wage slave. Years ago, I sat in a cubicle with my head in my hands, and I decided my life had to change. This was after I realized that no matter how hard I worked, I would still never get ahead with all the bills and expectations that my family had of me. So before I left work that fateful evening, I read a story about a guy whose life was changed by Forex. There and then, I decided I wanted Forex to change my life too. As a worker drone who was desperate to break free from my job, I bought every flavor of the week the Forex industry pushed at me, trying to fulfill that dream. Probably the same as you're doing now. And what did it get me? A clogged up hard drive, a digital rubbish heap of useless Forex software, useless ebooks, useless videos, and a huge credit card bill. Despite all that, I was still determined. I took strategies and tactics from some of the products I bought and discovered a hybrid system that worked for me. Now, life is different. I take my family on trips to different countries, traveling first class, living it up in swanky 5-star hotels. My home is now mortgage-free home, and I'm looking to buy even more to create a small real estate empire. I'm happy to say I now have freedom. Now, I don't have to give my kids an excuse that I have to work late when I'm asked to be present at parent-teachers meetings. For fun, I sit in Starbucks around lunchtime trading on their free Wi-Fi, making money while I watch the 9-to-5ers scarfing down their food so they can rush back to work. What a life! I look at them and say to myself, I used to be like that. If they knew what I know, they would be doing what I'm doing. It feels good to have money in the bank. It feels good to know I don't have to depend on a job to get it. It's at my fingertips every day. I simply click a few buttons and my daily salary is automatically deposited in my account. The days of busting your brain to find out which direction any currency pair is